Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tackle a problem that I have on occasions when we get real heavy rain. So if you have a system on your slide, like in this case a Vroom system or the Schwintek, you know that these things can act like a gutter and direct water into your coach during heavy rains. Now, if you have a coach that only has slides on one side, that's easy enough. You just use your leveling system to tilt away from the coach and it will push that water away. If you have slides on both sides like we do, you can't do that. So you get as level as you can, and then what will happen on a very heavy rain, you don't have to do it all the time, but on a very heavy rain, you know that you can get water in here. So what I'm going to do today is what I'll do just whenever for temporary is I'm going to create across here, I'm going to create a diversion system, because what happens is the water starts way up there and it runs all the way down here, hits this, and then it sometimes will run inside. So I'm going to put a diversion system that will connect right about here with Velcro. It'll push that water off and over so that it won't affect the slide. It only happens on the bottom slide. It doesn't happen to the top slide. There just simply isn't enough water typically. It comes off the roof, in this case the roof of the slide, onto the top system, but it all runs down here. So I'll show you what you're going to need is a little bit of quarter round, right? Quarter inch, quarter round. You're going to need a piece of 4-inch or 3-inch wiper seal. In this case it's 23 inches, and you're going to need some Velcro, and I'll show you why you need all this. So I'll go ahead and put this on, show you what's going on with it after the fact. Alright, when you're done, this is what it's going to look like. So you're going to use your quarter round to act basically as a ramp. So the water rushes down this side here, it's going to hit this and it's going to lift this, because this quarter round is going to stay on all the time. This wiper seal comes off, so because it won't sit flat, because you have Velcro here, here, and here, it will hit this, roll down onto this wiper seal, and roll down off the coach. So you can't leave the wiper seal on here, because when you start to pull the slide in, it's got to get into, obviously, into the gears of, in this case, Vroom, or if you have Schwintek. So all you're going to do is, just before you leave camp, when you're ready to pull the slides in, you're just going to pull this back. Again, you can see I left the 3M tape on there. What's going to happen is your Velcro is going to stay, right, and get back behind your other wiper seal. It's going to stay there. And then if you know that you're going to be in some bad weather, you're simply just going to connect it like that, and it's going to direct that water right down off of the seal, off the slide. You'll be all set. So is there a better way? Maybe, but this way works for me. I'll do this on all 3 slides. If you know of a better way, leave a comment down below. If you know something that's going to work. I've tried everything. I've talked to a lot of people in the industry. Nobody has figured out a way, at least for a manufacturer, to seal this up in a really heavy storm. This absolutely is going to work. Hope this helps. If you get any comments, feedback, let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up, a like, and a share. I appreciate it. Take care.
Don't wait, go hit the subscribe button now. We only need a few more to get us to our goal. You can make the difference. Go subscribe, and don't forget to share and hit that like button.